if you want to hide apps on Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, we can use the private space to be able to hide our apps. In order to create the private space, if you go to the app drawer, you should be able to swipe from left to the right. And then we have a little introduction to the private space, so we can tap on continue. We can verify ourselves by using the fingerprint sensor or face data, or of course screen lock password. Now, in here, we should be able, once the private space is created, we should be able to choose if we want to use the screen lock password, the same one that we use on our phone, in order to access the private space, or if you want to create a new password that is going to be used just for that private space. In my case, I'm gonna create a new password, just to show you how it looks like. So first, we need to enter our screen lock password in order to continue. We need to tap on got it here, and we should be able to simply choose the type of password that you want to use. And as you can see, all of these options also include the fingerprint. But if you don't want to use the fingerprint for the private space, you can tap on continue without fingerprint, and then you can also choose the password type that you wish to use for a private space. In my case, I'm just gonna set up a simple pattern. We need to enter our password twice in order to confirm. There we go. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to access our private space. So once you see that we are all set, we can tap on done in the bottom right corner, and here is our private space. Of course, we access the private space exactly the same way as at the beginning of the video, so by swiping from left to right. And of course, we need to enter our password, either private space password or screen lock password, in order to access it. Now, how we can hide apps? It's very, very simple. You just have to use this add button or edit button if you add apps later on. And now from this list, you should be able to choose whichever app or apps, whichever apps should be hidden. Of course, you can only see apps that you already have installed, so make sure to install an app first, and then you can decide if you want to hide it or not. So I'm going to use a couple of example apps. There we go. I'm just going to put them into the private space, and there we go. Now they are located in here. And they are moved into the private space. So if you go back to the app drawer, as you can see, they are not there anymore. I can only access them now by going to the private space. And besides that, you can hide the private space as well. That is, you can remove the swipe gesture. And if you want to do so, you can tap on the setting icon in the upper right corner. And then here we have hide private space option. If you enable this switcher over here, then you should be able to disable the gesture. So now, as you can see, if I try to swipe to the right side, it doesn't work. And in order to find the private space and open it, I need to use the search bar at the bottom of the app drawer. Then here we can type private space, and then you should be able to find the private space in here. So we can tap on that option to access the private space again. And that is pretty much it. And besides that, you should be able to, well, you cannot really add like home screen shortcuts or anything like that. So if you want to be able to access these files, you definitely need to open the private space first. Leave a like and subscribe.